welcome back to the channel. In front of me I've got the Zeiss 16-35 f4 zoom lens, and I bought this used. I got a pretty good deal on it, but as you can see it has quite a bit of wear, especially around the focus and zoom rings. So what I'm gonna do today is see if I can touch it up using a black paint marker. I'll use some rubbing alcohol and a clean microfiber to clean the surfaces that I'll be painting, and I'll be masking off the surfaces I don't want paint to touch. Let's get to it! Let's make this thing look new. I'll have my little assistant here helping me today. Let's get started by wiping down these surfaces that will be painted. Add some high content isopropyl alcohol here. I'm just going around and cleaning that off so the paint has a really good chance of sticking to it. There we go. Got quite a bit of grime off of there. Maybe even some original paint, honestly. Let that dry off. Alright, and with that dry, I can begin masking. With the front element pushed off as far as it'll go, I can get a little more room in there. Okay, so I've got the focus, or the zoom ring taped off here. I think I can probably get away without taping this portion off. So I think the paint marker's got it shooken up. I want to do some test runs, don't want too much. Like there, that looks fine to me. So here we are, starting on the application of the paint marker. So now I'm just going to take my time with this, and I'll check back in a little while. Alright, so finished that up. I decided to paint it outside because it stinks pretty bad. But now I'm peeling off the masking tape, revealing the finished product. And holy cow, for something like 5 minutes of work, that is an incredibly impressive result. I'll just let it dry off for a while before I touch those rings. And there we have it. Very cheap solution to the worn out zoom and focus rings on the Zeiss. What a good looking repair.